Chameleons are a distinctive and diverse group of lizards known for their unique adaptations, including their ability to change color, their independently mobile eyes, and their long, sticky tongues. One of the most crucial aspects of their biology is their diet and nutrition, which plays a significant role in their overall health, coloration, and behavior. In the wild, chameleons are primarily insectivorous, meaning they feed on a variety of insects. Their diet can include ants, beetles, locusts, crickets, grasshoppers, and even spiders. The choice of prey often depends on the chameleon's size, species, and habitat. For instance, larger species like the Parsons chameleon might consume larger prey, including small birds and even other lizards. The hunting strategy of chameleons is both fascinating and effective. They are ambush predators, meaning they rely on stealth rather than speed. A chameleon will often sit motionless in a strategic location, blending into its surroundings, waiting for an unsuspecting insect to come within range. Once the prey is within reach, the chameleon launches its long, sticky tongue with incredible speed, ensnaring the insect. The tongue's tip is sticky, allowing the chameleon to grasp its prey and quickly retract it into its mouth. Wild insects form the bulk of their diet. Some chameleons have been observed consuming plant matter, particularly during times when insect prey is scarce. This behavior is more common in species that inhabit arid regions where food sources can be limited. Consuming leaves and fruits provides them with additional hydration and essential nutrients. For chameleons kept in captivity, a balanced and varied diet is crucial for their well-being. A diet solely based on one type of insect can lead to nutritional deficiencies. For instance, feeding a chameleon only crickets can result in a lack of calcium, leading to metabolic bone disease, a common ailment in captive chameleons. To prevent this, captive chameleons should be fed a variety of insects, including crickets, mealworms, silkworms, and waxworms. Gut loading is a technique used by chameleon keepers to enhance the nutritional value of feeder insects. This involves feeding the insects a nutritious diet before offering them to the chameleon. When the chameleon consumes these insects, it indirectly receives the nutrients from the insect's last meal. Common gut-loading foods include leafy greens, fruits, and commercial insect diets. Supplementation is another essential aspect of captive chameleon nutrition. Even with a varied diet, chameleons can still suffer from deficiencies in certain vitamins and minerals. Calcium and vitamin D3 are particularly important for bone health. In the wild, chameleons get vitamin D3 from natural sunlight, which helps them metabolize calcium. In captivity, supplements can provide these essential nutrients. Typically, feeder insects are dusted with a calcium or vitamin D3 powder before being offered to the chameleon. Hydration is another critical component of chameleon nutrition. Unlike many animals, chameleons don't drink from standing water sources. Instead, they hydrate by licking dew or raindrops from leaves. In captivity, this natural behavior can be replicated by misting the chameleon's enclosure with water, allowing them to drink droplets from plants or the sides of their habitat. Providing a dripper system, where water drips slowly onto leaves, can also encourage drinking. The frequency of feeding varies depending on the chameleon's age, species, and health. Young, growing chameleons require food more often, sometimes daily, to support their rapid growth. Adult chameleons, on the other hand, may only need to be fed every other day or even less frequently, depending on their size and activity level. It's worth noting that overfeeding can be as detrimental as underfeeding. Obesity in chameleons can lead to a host of health issues, including liver disease and reduced lifespan. It's essential to monitor a chameleon's weight and adjust feeding frequency and portion sizes accordingly. In addition to the primary diet, chameleons also consume certain items for specific reasons. For example, it's not uncommon for chameleons to consume soil or leaves occasionally. This behavior, known as geophagy and foliophagy respectively, is believed to help them obtain certain minerals or aid in digestion. While the exact reasons for these behaviors are still being studied, they highlight the complexity of chameleon dietary habits. Environmental factors also play a role in chameleon nutrition. The availability of natural sunlight or UVB lighting in captivity can influence how effectively a chameleon metabolizes essential nutrients. UVB light helps chameleons produce vitamin D3, which in turn aids in calcium absorption. Without adequate UVB exposure, even a calcium-rich diet can be rendered ineffective, leading to health issues. Temperature and humidity levels in a chameleon's environment can also impact their digestive efficiency. Chameleons, like all reptiles, are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is regulated by their surroundings. If their environment is too cold, their metabolic rate slows down, affecting digestion. On the other hand, if it's too hot, they might become dehydrated, which can also impact nutrient absorption. In conclusion, the diet and nutrition of chameleons are intricate and multifaceted. Whether in the wild or captivity, these remarkable creatures require a balanced and varied diet to thrive. Understanding their dietary needs and behaviors is crucial for anyone interested in chameleons, whether they're researchers, conservationists, or pet owners. Proper nutrition not only ensures their physical health but also plays a role in their unique color displays and reproductive success. As with all creatures, the well-being of chameleons is intricately linked to their diet, making it a vital aspect of their biology and care.